Hi guys, good evening. It's lovely evening over here in Mumbai. It's 6:32 p.m. 13th Feb Sunday. I have something great to show you. Of course, not this one. Yes, this one. Kawasaki Z900. It's BS6 2020 model, or you can say Euro 6 compliant. Why I'm taking this video? You must be guessing it right. Yes, it's up for sale. Yes, you have heard it right. It's up for sale. Let me take a little time to start it. Just let me take a small walk around of this bike. The bike is 2020 model. As I said, single owner, Maharashtra registered, MH passing. It's BS6. See the tires. Front tires are still very good. You can have few more kilometers. It has some accessories. Let me name it. Water tank net, or you can say radiator guard. Front fork sliders. The bike has been recently serviced, for your information. Many of the things are OEM. I don't want to temper it with any other things. Okay, let me give you a clear video. The bike engine, everything looks good. Yes, it has some scratches on its frame, but I thought of keeping it as it is because coloring the frame is not an easy task. And what else? Yes, some accessories, I'll name it. It has a side stand cap, Kawasaki written on it. Swingarm spool. I wanted to put tank pad also, but the tank pad that I like is out of stock at my store. It has LED headlamp, LED turn signals, which are standard, not been installed. The tires at rear are 180 section and still has good life left. Which one it is? Dunlop, I guess 180 by 55. 17 is the radius, or sorry, diameter. Everyone knows that very well. What else to show? Let me show you the odo reading. It's just 6,300 kilometers. 6353 precisely. It has a wonderful display. I love the color display of the bikes. On the bikes, I mean. Soon I'll be installing the frame slider, which is a standard thing, which is not been installed yet. I have ordered a good one for this bike, or probably I'll put the whole engine guard, since a naked bike and it looks good on all such naked bikes. As told, bike has been serviced. I'll be putting some accessories like frame slider, tank pad, thigh pads. What else? Time to hit the start button. Here you go. It's on stock exhaust, so if you want to install any aftermarket one, I can help you with the good ones. Those are available at my store, or you can order it yourself. The bike is up for grab. Let my punter come and just rev it up. He's trying to come on video. Let me rev it up. Well, that's all. Guys, do comment, like, share. If you like this bike, contact us on otr store.in.